Hi, my name is Sam. Today I'm going to take you through Genesys Pure Connect integration with Salesforce. We will see how to make manual calls, to receive inbound calls, to receive inbound chats, to be a part of dialer campaigns, and to handle multiple simultaneous interactions. The link to the prerequisites is available in the description section of this video. This integration has been configured for Sales app and can be configured for custom apps as well. Let's see how this integration works. Log in into Salesforce, choose the Sales app, click on Apex Connect phone icon on the left bottom of the screen. This is the UI from Apex Connect for Genesys Pure Connect. Log in using the Interaction Center authentication details or use single sign-on configured by the CIC administrator. Once authenticated, choose the telephony channel. No channel is used by chat users. Workstation is used with Genesys SIP phone or soft phone. Remote number is used with mobile number or analog desk phone number. Once telephony is chosen, the user is directed to the status screen where options to manage presence, monitor login time, assigned work groups and campaigns are available. To initiate a manual call, click on Conversation tab, choose the work group and enter the number to dial. A new tab shows the current call with primary entity contact and the related entity account data. Choose the right customer record and click on Expand View icon. This helps to open customer's profile. Pin the interaction to the corresponding customer record. User has call control option to hold the call, to transfer to another work group or user, confer with subject matter expert and disconnect. Use new opportunity to add an opportunity or similar entity configured in Apex Connect admin panel. This is added to the customer's record. Fill the details, click on Save. Users can add notes, select wrap-up category, subcategory, and click on Save and Close. Let's see how campaign calls work with Salesforce. Log into the desired campaign to receive calls from the dialer. Use skip call or place call after previewing the customer record. Expand View icon is used to preview customer record. Fill the custom user input field. This field is configured in Apex Connect admin panel. Select Wrap-up. Click on Save and Dispose. Use Take Break to initiate break from the campaign. A new activity is created in relation to the pinned entity after every interaction. This activity is available in the timeline and is updated with the details about the interaction like call duration, customer number, notes, direction of call, and disposition. On receiving an inbound call, all cases related to this contact is available for the user to review and pin this call to. If the user wants to create a new case for this customer, click on New Case, fill the case details and save. The new case is added for this customer. Using refresh icon, the new case is pinned or related to this interaction. Add notes and dispose the call. Apex Connect supports chats from social media like Facebook, Twitter, instant messengers like Viber, Line, WhatsApp, and chats from websites or mobile apps as configured in Pure Connect. On answering the chat, the user previews the customer details before pinning this interaction to the right customer record. As you were seeing, this user was handling an inbound call and multiple other chats simultaneously, making the user more efficient and productive.